You're not working on my bike.
No, I'm working on my own.
Very personal thing on my bike.
Hi everyone, today I have been working in the garage on a project, but my brain is not braining anymore because it's way too hot, even though this is the coolest part of the house. So I decided to do something different and surprise Glyn with changing the oil in my bike. It's been screaming for some fresh oil and he was gonna help me, but he's working so he can't. And I said, just why not do it myself, because it's not a big deal. I can do it, right? Let's go. Got the oil filter, got the oil, I've got washers and my gloves, of course. For the oil, I heard that this is going to be a very controversial subject. I am not using the actual Kawasaki recommended oil. This is just as good. It meets all the technical specs that's needed for the bike. My bike takes 2.1 liters. This is a 4-liter bottle. Glyn's actually got some left over from the previous oil change, so I'm gonna probably use the top before I even use this. Might as well use it up. If you are an experienced mechanic, this is probably going to be really painful for you to watch. However, I'm just trying to document my learning journey, so to say, and show other people that if I can do it, they also can. We can only try, right? It's just more of a record of how I learn, and it keeps me also accountable because I want to do a good job for you while I'm remaining true to myself, because that wouldn't be me if I didn't make any mistake, because I know myself. If you've got any tips or any recommendations after the video, leave it in the comments and I'll do my best to respond to. I'm happy to take the recommendations, the suggestions, the critiques, if there is value in them. So, next thing to do is to take the bike out, start it for a minute, although I think it's hot enough that if I just leave it in the sun for 5 minutes, the oil is going to be warm enough. I need to move my bike more in the middle because I think my sump is on the other side. I need the bike more this way. And Glyn's bike more out the way. Right, let's try it this way. I don't think I can move this bike. Okay. Okay. Let's key in here. I need your help. Try to move your bike, but I can't.
Did you drop it?
I'm too weak to move it.
Good, have a go.
I'm small. I already did.
What do you want to move it to? You're not working on my bike.
No, I'm working on my own.
Why am I moving?
Over there. Camera.
Can you do that?
Yeah, she's heavy. She's a big girl. Yeah, I think so. Goodbye. That's all I needed. I know, it's nice.
It's a very personal thing on my bike.
Oh, come on now. How many times have you taken my bike out? He doesn't seem very happy. There we go. Done. She's okay. I've got a K&M filter on. So, lefty, loosey, righty, tighty. That's not the right one. I'm just using another one. Let's try again. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we did. So nice and clear. I think it's gonna be one of these. Let's put the new filter on. With the rim, try to screw it on. This. And 3. A bit more. I've played with my dad in the garage when I was a kid more than with my mom in the kitchen. So that's that. I'm just not that type of girl.